Welcome sa 5th episode ng 3-Minute Finance, kung saan we teach you financial concepts in 3 minutes or less. Today, we will discuss the third variable, amortization or payment. Pero bago yon, if you don't have a time value of money or TVM app, please watch episode 2 muna, where we show you kung paano makakuha ng libreng TVM app. From our last episode, nalaman natin that we will need to invest more than 1 million pesos today in a product na kumikita ng 5% a year so that we can reach the 2 million pesos na kailangan to pay for 4 years of tuition fees sa Lasal in 12 years. Hindi realistic yon for most families, so what can we do? In this episode, we will calculate how much we will need to invest every year to reach the 2 million peso goal. Hindi na isang bagsakang investment kung hindi regular investments every year. Now, since we are looking for amortization, kailangan nating lagyan ng values yung ibang 4 na variables. We will start with present value. You can put 0 here if you want to assume na you can't invest anything today. However, if may money ka to start with, you can put it here. Pero make sure negative siya. Bakit negative? Kasi yun ang ilalabas mo today. For today, let's assume meron kang 50,000 pesos. So, lagay natin negative 50,000 pesos. Sa future value, lagay natin yung goal na 2 million pesos. Sa interest rate, lagay natin 5% at sa time, lagay natin 12 years. Press equals at ang sagot ay negative 120,000, 9 pesos and 55 centavos. Roughly 10,000 pesos per month ito. Again, negative ang sagot kasi ito ang kailangan mo i-invest every year for the next 12 years. So, as you can see, imbis na isang bagsakan ng 1 million pesos, nakita natin that we can still reach our goal if we start with 50,000 pesos today, tapos mag-add tayo ng 120,000 pesos per year or roughly 10,000 pesos per month for the next 12 years. Dito natin muli nakikita how TVM can help us make more realistic financial plans. Keep in mind, you can change yung ibang variables depende sa situation mo. You can increase or decrease yung starting amount. You can increase or decrease yung interest rate na kikitahin ng investment mo. Sa paggawa mo ng mga ito, mahahanap mo yung annual amount na swak sa budget mo. Thank you for watching 3-Minute Finance. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found our content useful. In our next episode, pag-uusapan natin ang variable na time.